The sum of the nth term of sequence is given by this over here. State the first term. So, and prove that the series is GP. So state the first term, just take note. First term, which is the sum of one term. First term is A1, S1, which is U1. Correct, because sum of the first term. So this is 6 minus 3, 1 plus 1 over 2n minus 1. So this will just be, so first term, S1. This will give us, minus 3. So just take the first term, then prove that the series is geometric. What we need to do is just show that un over un minus 1 is constant. Okay, we need to show that this is a constant. So you just find un first. Un will be same thing. Un, the nth term, is equals to Sn minus 1. So in GP, we typically let the nth term be U, not T. So that's the normal convention. So, but it doesn't matter, even you use T, it's the same thing. So this case here is just for, yeah. I think here is where, I think manipulation part is where students fumble. Not really the concept there. Like that. Okay. So do this. You get minus 3 n times 3 over 2 times 2 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, this is where students will get confused. Maybe I shouldn't skip step here. This is minus 3n plus 1. So what do we do? Just separate it out. So this case here, this is just indices here. So this is 3n times 3. This is 2n times 2 to the power minus 1. Just slowly do it. So this case here will be just minus 3n times 3 over 2n times 2 minus 1. Okay. Then this one here, same thing. This is 3n over 2n times 2 minus 2. Slowly. Maybe I just do this as 3n. Okay. So take note, we could factorize this out. Just factorize it out, then just use calculator. You can just do this 3n over 2n. I factorize it out. Okay, remember there's a 1 on top. So when you want to factorize this out, this one be left below. Just factorize it out. Okay. Then you just key in calculate. This is negative 6. This half here, this is negative 6. This is 4. So this is negative 2. Okay, so this will be negative 2, 3 over 2n. Yeah, key in calculator should get negative 2. Yeah. Now once done, we have un already. So we're going to show un over un minus 1 equals to minus 2, 3 over 2 to the power n, minus 2, 3 to the power 2 to the power n minus 1. This will be cancel away, cancel. And this will be 3 over 2, n minus. This is just normal indices here. So this is 3 over 2, 1, which is a constant. got since un over un minus 1 is equals to 3 over 2, which is a constant. Okay. Hence, un series is a GP with series is a geometric series with common ratio of 3 over 2. There you go.